Welcome to the Performing GMP Equipment Qualification course. This is the third course in a series focused on GMP equipment qualification, building on the knowledge from the previous course, preparing for GMP equipment qualification. If you haven't taken the course, we recommend starting there to establish a strong foundation for this intermediate level content. This course will guide you through executing qualification plans, ensuring compliance with GMP standards, and effectively managing the process for equipment classes A, B, and C. This course will take approximately 2 hours to complete and includes interactive lessons, self-check exercises, and case studies to reinforce your learning. After completing this course, you will be able to execute qualification plans for equipment classes A, B, and C. Perform and document test protocols accurately. Identify and address deviations with CAPA strategies. Prepare detailed qualification reports and handle attachments. Ensure calibration accuracy for critical tools. And collaborate with manufacturers to resolve challenges. Enroll today to strengthen your skills in GMP equipment qualification and become a valuable asset in pharmaceutical manufacturing.